This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Maureen Vita. Overlooking the lake, beautiful sunsets, ground floor unit. Enjoy this brand new, spacious, first floor condo with an open floor plan. Everything is new, including kitchenware, linens, cookware, bedding, artwork, etc. Kitchen is extremely large with plenty of cabinets and an enormous countertop area, not to mention a large island. It is a cook's dream. Enjoy your morning coffee or an evening cocktail on the oversized screened-in lanai, with a tranquil view of the lakefront fountain. Then head on over to the community clubhouse and take a swim in the 3,500 square feet infinity edge pool with sun shelf entry spa, or workout in the state-of-the-art fitness center, or relax in the gathering area. Take advantage of the bocce ball courts, 4-hole putting green, pickleball courts, tiki hut bar, or the outdoor fire pit with lounge seating. This beautiful condo is just a short drive to Marco Island, Naples 5th Avenue or 3rd Street, all offering fabulous dining and shopping. Both bathrooms offer walk-in showers. For more information, review the details below.